Hello. So I made lettuce sauce and thought to share the recipe with you. In the pan, I already have grated carrots, some onions, some bell pepper, fresh garlic and ginger, some runner beans, and tomato sauce. Yeah. So you can be sauce and you can be soup. Anyway, it's fine. You can use seasoning cube if you want to. I use seasoning cube and I use herbs, but minimal seasoning cube with some herbs and salt. So the pan just had some oil coating from previous cooking. I didn't add extra oil to it because I want it to be as healthy as possible. So of course, because it's vegetable, you stir fry it the barest minimum, just more like steaming. And then yeah, once it's relatively crunchy and it feels like everything has blended well and absorbed, I already have my lettuce that I cut. That's it. So just turn it in and also stir briefly, and then probably taste for consistency to your desired point. Yeah, so I already boiled rice and I'm going to serve it with rice and of course boiled egg. Yeah, I'm really avoiding meat lately, so but you can have it with chicken, you can have it with turkey, fish, prawns, you can add anything you like. This is just me sharing the simplest recipe to you. You can always be creative, you can always play around with it. And so I put in this effort. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it, and let me know if you intend to try it. Let me know if it's something you can eat. Yeah, let me know if it helps you. Just engage the content, put something in the comment section. Let me just know that I'm not alone. Thank you for watching. Bye.